Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Innova Aviar Putt Approach disc. If you're a beginner just like I am, I think this is the perfect putter to get. It doesn't have a big learning curve. It was very easy to pick up and just start putting or approaching with it. What I really like about it is how stable it is. So even if I don't throw the disc very good, which happens a lot, the disc itself, it's very stable. It feels great in the hand and it feels great when I throw it, which makes putting and approaching very fun. The quality of the disc, it's very nice. The material is very sturdy, but it's also very lightweight. So if you're looking for a very good quality putter that is very easy to use, it will be very stable when you're putting, I really recommend this one. And that is my point of view.